Start.
Hi, my name is Ivy, and I'm working here since last you can say 3 to 4 years. And we have moved a long way, I should say. And the journey from the junior till business development manager, which I am right now, is was really good and was a learning experience. I really had a great time working here, and the seniors were really good. The work experience right here in this office, I love it a lot. So, in short, I would like to say that it is a very good working space, and also people are good here. You will get to learn more, and also not only that, along with that, we are trying to grow more. We are trying to learn more each and every day, each and every second. That actually takes a lot of effort from the whole team, be it development, marketing, sales, operations, anything. So yeah, it's a great experience working here, and I would say that yes, we can go more long, not three, not four, but 300, maybe 30, 40. I think 300 is a lot more. So yeah, thank you.